Grape or grapevine, scientific name is Vitis vinifera. Family is Vitaceae. Origin is Armenia near the Caspian Sea. It is a heavy feeder crop of fertilizers. Temperate region fruit, subtropical fruit, 2 types. Acclimatized to subtropical countries. In India, it is consumed as table fruit. In European countries, all 99% of grapes are used to make wines. It is rich in hexose sugar. Which type of sugar? Hexose sugar. Have minerals calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B1 and B2. In humid weather, sweetness of fruits increase, cracking of fruits increase, and fungal diseases also increase. A rainfall greater than 100 cm is not suitable. A rainfall period of 90 days from the time of pruning is most desirable. 90 days from the time of pruning. Frost cause damage in growing period. Light well-drained soils with no hard pan to 2 meters water table of soil deeper than 2 meters, tolerant to salinity and alkalinity than most other horticultural crops. Salinity and alkalinity tolerant. Excessive lime is harmful for grape cultivation. Propagation both by seeds, sexual by seeds. Poor and delayed germination requires huge time. Asexual or vegetative by cuttings. Grafting by rootstock and scions. Rootstocks like cheap or wedge grafting. Which type of grafting? Cheap grafting or wedge grafting? Cheap budding, callus formation. Parts of grapevines: trunk, vertical, it is the main vine. Arms or cordons, primary arms and secondary arms. Primary arms are the main branches grow from the trunk or vertical extension of the trunk. Secondary branches arise from the primary arms. Arms or cordons. Head is the region of the trunk from which arms or canes arise. Shoot, young, current season. Young growth from the buds. Buds are situated on the arm or trunk. Cane, it is the mature shoot on the past season. Shoot is the young growth of young season. Shoot is grown in young season, and cane is the mature shoot or grown in past season. Spar, it is the shortened cane left after pruning. Spar, shortened cane left after pruning. Fruiting spars having few sprouted apical buds that grow into fruiting shoots. Spars having few sprouted apical buds that grows into fruiting shoots. Spacing between vines depends on soil, climate, vigor of variety, training method, pruning, cultivation practices. Planting of unrooted cuttings of rootstocks. Planting of rootstocks, plowing, tillage and leveling of plant. Peat size is 1 meter. Time of planting for rooted cuttings January to February. For unrooted cuttings October. For grafting or budding July to August. So different types of planting for rooted cuttings January to February, for unrooted cuttings October, and for grafting or budding July to August. Budding, rootstocks planting, grafting or budding. Training and pruning. Training form and gives direction of trunk and arms, position of shoots. Pruning gives proper functioning of grapevines. Pruning gives fruitfulness, quality and vigor of grapevines. 4 types of training systems in India. First is head system. Dwarf brush after 3 to 4 years. Type of less vigorous. Type of varieties are less vigorous, produce fruitful shoots from the basal buds. Head system is used in cross cultivation. Example under the head system: Beauty Seedless, Parlet, Delight, Gold plants. Plants number 2000 to 2500 plants per acre. Vine is grown by stakes. Topping of plants at height 3 inch. Increase 2 lateral branches. Topping of plants height 4 inches again with 2 or 4 laterals. Produce first dormant pruning. 2 secondary arms 20 to 30 cm at lateral. Second pruning 1 to 2 fruiting spurs on each secondary arm. Maximum bud and flower drop than other systems. In head system, maximum bud and flower drop than other systems. Then the next is arbor. Arbor system of training is also called as pendle system or pargola or mandva or overhead or bower system. It is the most expensive system. It is used in large scale in India. Vines spread over the crisscross net wares. Net wares are 7 inch or 2.1 meter above the ground by pillars. Vines are pinched off 15 cm below the pendle level to increase the side shoots. 2 shoots are the primary arms. Each primary arm has 3 laterals at 60 cm or 2 inch along with wares. And each shoot has 12 secondary arms. These secondary arms form fruiting canes at the maturity. These fruiting canes are free from sun scald. So each shoot has 2 primary arms and 12 secondary arms. Secondary arms from fruiting canes at the maturity. These fruiting canes are free from sun scald. Then the third type of training system is telephone system or overhead trellis or telephone trellis. Less expensive than Niffin system. Like telephone wires, height of telephone wires is 5 inch. Improvement of this type of training is improvement of Bohr system. Spacing for each vine is spacing of middle pillars 3 into 3 meter, 20 inch distance. Trellis are erected by granite stone pillars of 8 inch length, 6L into 6L thick, 8L into 4L into 4L thick. Cross arms length 41, 4L per 2 inch at the end. Height of cross arms are 5 inch. Iron blades with 4L or 1/4 L thick. Angle iron pieces with 2L into 2L. 3 wires of iron are pulled horizontally over cross arms at regular spacing 2 inch by turning buckles. Vines height 1.5 meter, 5 inch. Vines are trained by 3 or 5 wires 45 to 60 centimeter apart. 2 side shoots, primary arms. Each secondary arm has 6 to 8 fruiting canes or units. High cost rupees 80,000 to 90,000. 2 side shoots that are called as primary arms and each secondary arm has fruiting canes or fruits units. High cost in telephone trellis 80,000 to 90,000. Fourth type of system is the Niffin or espalier system. Niffin or espalier, cheaper than the Bohr system. It is one-way cultivation. It is not common, rarely used. Closer planting like 10 inch or 3 meter between the rows. Iron wires height 75 centimeter. Iron wires are parallel to the ground. Iron wires height 75 centimeter. Iron wires are parallel to ground. Then 2 laterals at the second to third terminal vertical shoots are growing. Each vine has 6 arms, 2 pairs of laterals. Each vine has 6 arms and 2 pairs of laterals. 41 per 2 inch, 1.35 meter and 61 per 2 inch, 1.95 meter from the ground level. This is called the 4-arm Niffin system. So Niffin system is which type of Niffin system is used? 4-arm Niffin system. Example of varieties under 4-arm Niffin system: Beauty Seedless, Early Muscat, Bhokri and Delight. Full crop on vines, good for small clustered varieties. More lateral at spread of fruit branches than cordon system. More lateral spread of fruit branches than cordon system. More laterals than cordon system. Average yield of Niffin system 10 to 15 kg per vine at 3 meter into 3 meter spacing. It is a difficult system. Cost is rupees 50,000 to 60,000 per hectare. Next process is the fruit thinning. Fruit thinning at P stage of fruit thinning of berries to increase the berry size by 20%. By how much? By 20% at P stage. Pruning is don't do pruning when in time of bleeding of bark. Pruning is only done in North India in January and in South India twice a year, summer and winter. Summer in April. This summer pruning leads to vines are raised in period and that leads to fruit bud differentiation. In summer vines goes to rest period and this time fruit bud differentiation is also occurred. Pruning is followed in 2 times, summer pruning and winter pruning. Summer pruning is done in March to April. 1 or 2 buds are pruned. Summer pruning is also called as back or growth pruning. Winter pruning in last week of October to November. Winter pruning of 6 months old mature canes. Example 5 bud level pruning at Anabe Shahi variety and Bhokri variety and 10 bud level pruning at Thompson seedless variety. 5 bud level pruning at Anabe Shahi variety and Bhokri variety and 10 bud level pruning at Thompson seedless variety. Winter doesn't set in 8 to 10 days after pruning. Spar pruned varieties and cane pruned varieties. Spar pruned varieties, fruits on the shoots of basal buds. Fruits on the shoots that arise from basal buds. And cane pruned fruits on the shoots, fruits produced on the shoots, those shoots that are produced from terminal buds. Basal buds, terminal buds. Spar pruned varieties, cane pruned varieties. Spar pruned varieties are Parlet, Beauty Seedless, Bangalore Blue and Bhokri. Cane pruned varieties, Pusa Seedless, Thompson Seedless. In spar pruned varieties, canes are headed back to 4 to 5 buds, and in cane pruned varieties, canes are headed back to 8 to 12 buds. 4 to 5 buds, 8 to 12 buds, headed back. Manuring. At planting, apply 50 kg FYM plus 3 kg of single superphosphate plus 5 kg of castor cake or neem cake plus 2 baskets of wood ash with topsoil or silt. Manuring after producing of vines that is 6 months to 2 years old. Then after producing of vines, then apply 100 kg of FYM plus 2 to 3 kg of castor cake or neem cake plus 2 to 3 kg of single superphosphate plus 250 gram of NH3SO4 ammonium sulfate plus 125 gram of urea. In the third year onwards, do manuring thrice a year, 3 times in 1 year. In third year onwards. Irrigation just before the pruning increase the flow of plant sap. Vines are not irrigated in June to October and goes for rest for 15 days. Irrigation 8 to 10 in October to March at 7 to 10 days interval. Each adult vines needs 200 liter water in winter and 300 liter water in summer or per irrigation. Bleeding. Irrigation is done just before the pruning to increase the flow of plant sap. Vines are not irrigated at the time of June to October and goes for rest for 15 days. Irrigation 8 to 10 in October to March at 7 to 10 days interval. Each adult vines needs 200 liter water in winter and 300 liter water in summer. What do you mean by bleeding? Bleeding of trees. Draining of plant sap through the cut surface is called as bleeding. Intercropping. Usually intercropping is not done in case of grapevines, but you can do intercropping oftenly with radish, cucurbits, okra, brinjal, potato for the first 2 to 3 years after planting. You can also use leguminous cover crops like guava and cowpea. Use of plant growth regulator. For continuous use of plant growth regulator for 4 to 6 days with 100 ppm of GA3 gibberellic acid or 20 ppm of parachlorophenoxyacetic acid. Use of plant growth regulator increase fruit set and increase berry size. Like in Anabe Shahi, Kishmish and Bhokri varieties, gibberellic acid at the rate 40 ppm at bud and flower stages increase the berry size. In Anabe Shahi, Kishmish and Bhokri varieties, gibberellic acid application at the rate 40 ppm at bud and flower stage increase the berry size. Use of PGR also increase cluster size by application of gibberellic acid, TIBA, TIBA, PCPA in pedicles. Cluster size also by GA, TIBA and PCPA. Benzothiazole A, oxyacetic acid delays the maturity by 15 days. Benzothiazole A, oxyacetic acid, it also delays maturation of plants, grapevines for 15 days. Harvesting indices, maturity indices, uniform berry bunches, berries, lower berries are soft and sweet, translucent in nature. Dark brown seeds of ripened berries, total soluble solids also. Dark brown seeds of ripened berries and total soluble solids. Harvesting by secateurs or scissors. Example of harvesting: Anabe Shahi at bricks of 15 degree to 16 degree. Thompson seedless at bricks of 21 degree to 22 degree. Anabe Shahi bricks 15 degree to 16 degree. Thompson seedless varieties bricks 21 degree to 22 degree. Yield: Anabe Shahi yield 10,000 to 15,000 kg per hectare. Bangalore blue yield 30,000 kg per hectare. Bhokri yield 4,500 to 9,000 kg per hectare. Bangalore blue yield is highest, 30,000. Grapes are replaced for 30 years. For how many years grapes are replaced? For 30 years. 5 commercial varieties of grapes. First is table grapes. Flavor is like muscat. It is seedless or without seeds. Thompson seedless, Pusa seedless, Beauty seedless, Anabe Shahi Parlet, New Parlet, Black Muscat and Early Muscat. Flavor of table grapes is muscat without seeds. Then second is the raisin grapes. It is also seedless. It is sticky in nature at the time of storage and has 70% of moisture content. Raisin grapes are also seedless, sticky at the time of storage and contains 17% of moisture. Raisin grapes varieties: Kishmish, Black Corinth, Sultana, Alexandria. Wine grapes 2 types: table wines and desert wines. Table wines has high sugar and moderate or high acidity content, and desert wines has high sugar but low acid content. Wine grapes varieties: Black Champa, Red Prince. Two types of wine grapes, table wines and desert wines. Sweet juice grapes. It is used as a beverage preserved by pasteurization or germ-proof filtration. Sweet juice grapes are preserved by which type of method? Pasteurization or germ-proof filtration. Varieties under sweet juice grapes: Bangalore Purple, Bangalore Blue, Concord, Pearl of Sisaba. The fifth and the last one is canning grapes. Canning grapes are seedless, used in fruit salad and fruit cocktail. Canning grapes are used for making fruit salad and fruit cocktail. It is also seedless. Varieties under canning grapes: Thompson seedless, Parlet and Canard, etc. Then commercially grown varieties under grapevines: Bangalore Blue, Gulabi, Anabe Shahi, Pusa seedless, Thompson seedless, Beauty seedless and Parlet. Hybrid varieties are developed by IIHR Bangalore: Arkavati, Arka Kanchan, Arka Hans, Arka Shwam and Arka Nilmani. Hybrid varieties of grapevines are developed by IIHR Bangalore. Spacing between vines. Region, training method and spacing. Bombay Deccan region. Training method is single stake method. Spacing 2.5 into 2.5 meter. Punjab Haryana region. Training method Niffin system. Spacing 3 into 3 meter. Bangalore region or Bangalore Purple. Training method Pendal or Boar or Ovary or Arbor or Mandwa. Spacing it 5 into 6 meter. Madurai region, training method same, Pendal or Boar or Overhead or Arbor or Mandwa. Spacing is 8 into 9 meter. Hyderabad region, training method is same, Pendal or Boar or Overhead or Arbor or Mandwa. Spacing is 5 into 9 meter. Phylloxera or aphid resistant varieties are St. George and Vitis riparia. Nematode and soil salinity resistant varieties Salt Creek, and nematode resistant varieties are Harmony and Dog Ridge. So phylloxera or aphid resistant varieties of grapevines are St. George and Vitis riparia. Nematode and soil salinity resistant varieties are Salt Creek, and specially nematode resistant varieties are Harmony and Dog Ridge.